Hey guys, we received this Locamp Laminator machine for test and try. This is a 13-inch thermal laminator, hot and cooled for A3, A4, A5, A6 sizes. You can see it comes with the various accessories. This is manual, and laminating sheets, the accessories like the cutter, the punch hole, and the photo things that you can put in, and the laminator machine itself. So this is like a 50 pieces laminating machine sheet for home or office use. So the corner rounder and everything that I will show it to you. So this one have this cable that we can just put in, and I will show you the demo. So you can see it here. The quality wise, it looks really nice, and also like it have the marking for the angle and the cutting thing. So I just put in this, and you can see like the hot and cold. So you can just put, so red button is on. That means like it's still heating, so not yet ready for lamination. Till that time, I can show you some of the accessories. So this is like the photo thing. So you can just put in your photos, and then there are clips, rope, and everything for the decoration. So this is a two-in-one cutter and the machine combo that you can use. So this is like for cornering, like you can just corner the sheets from here. And this is also a combo with hot and cold, as I explained. So the hot mode and the cold mode, the both uses the different sheets. So I have the hot lamination sheets here that I can show it to you. So this is a 4 by 6 sheet, and you have to just put in a 4 by 6 photo or anything you want, and you can see the green button on the machine right now. So this is ready to go, and you have to just put in this sheet with the stuff, and it will just go on its own with the rotor, and this will laminate. So this come from the other side. So you can also use the ABS function, like if something's stuck in it, but this works really fine. So I don't need to use that. And you can see all the corners and everything is properly sealed. So I'm just testing one more time to show you some of the demo for two, three things. So here you can see like this is going with the rotor, and once it is ready to do the lamination, it goes on its own. So you can go up to 355 or per minute, and then a 60-second fast warm up, and also a one touch paper return. So this is a nice machine for lamination purpose. As you can see, it goes one by one and pretty going good, and all the laminations are really nice with no issues. So you can secure your, the art or photos or anything you want. So you can also use a different size. This is a 5 by 7 size, and also a A3 size. So this is a nice thing. Like you can see, this is a delicate feather that's laminated really nice. And this is one for the A3 sheet, so bigger one. So I try to show the whole thing. So it goes really nicely. There is no issue with the size and the thing, and with the delicate stuff, you can easily put in the feather and the thing. So it will enclose and close the things very nicely. So my impression overall is a nice laminating machine with a cutter, ABS function, cold and hot option, and a nice machine with the speed.